Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.